Here's how to use Apple Pay Later. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to pay for something in installments down the road, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings here, and we need to navigate to your wallet. So let's scroll down towards the bottom here, and you can see Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on that, and the very first thing we'll do is we'll make sure that you've added a payment card here. So you can see here I have a number of different credit cards and debit cards added. If you haven't added a card yet, just hit Add Card, and it will pop up with the ability to add a Apple Card, a debit credit card, let's say debit or credit card, and hit Continue. And now all you need to do is hold that card up to your iPhone, or you can hit Enter Details manually and just enter in that card detail. So you need a credit card already linked to your Apple Wallet. But after you've done that, let me go all the way back out of here. You're going to swipe down and you can see double click side button is turned on. And then we can also go here and it says show card benefits, pay later. So we've turned on pay later and we've turned on that double click. Now, whenever you go to pay for something at a store or at a checkout, you'll double click that side button. It will use your Face ID to authenticate it and it'll pop up with that specific card. And all you need to do is look for this screen. I don't have something I'm paying for right now, but it will pop up with a screen that looks like this. It'll give you an option to pay in full or pay later, and it'll show you installments. So something like in this case, about $30 a month for the next every 2 weeks for 4 payments. And then you can see the interest here, the total cost. And all you have to do is hit continue at the very bottom after you've enabled this. And essentially you can pay for it in installments, and it will automatically bill that card in installments over the time of whatever, how many, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, every month for however long. It will show you kind of the terms of that specific installment. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.